right? Things like apophenia, power, sense of hearing, and the one is the sense of visual. So let's talk about the physics.
One idea of psychoanalysis and psychodynamics, which originated with Sigmund Freud, which is the one aspect is the whole idea of the relation.
Let's talk about the physics of sound. Sound travels at 700 miles an hour.
You have to study physics. The collision of anime, organic or inorganic, right? This sort of encapsulates matter, non-matter, matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that propositions that illustrate the
different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists.
I didn't have, right, I mean,